Hey guys, it's Addie and I'm with
Tatum, LPS Lover Addie K.
And we are doing this we put slime in these balloons and we're going to cut it and pop it, but we don't know what slime is in here. But there's some that have the same slime, but they're all different. Well, some of them have the same, but we're going to pop them and it has a little surprise thing.
Sorry.
It's fine.
Well, I can't really make...
Let's get started.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So first, I'm gonna go, but we all have to close our eyes. We just pick one,
Yeah,
and we
close your
get
eyes.
scissors. Yeah. Okay. Where's the scissors?
Yeah.
Okay. So you ready?
Video.
Okay, guys. Let's close our eyes. Okay, ready? So I'm starting.
No, you close your...
Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna close my
Here,
eyes.
Al.
Okay. I'm just gonna. Okay. I got one. I don't know what this is.
I think those two.
Oh, okay. Make sure not to cut your fingers. Okay, ready? Wait.
You can open it now when you're cutting it.
Okay. Okay, wait. Oh my gosh, it's so hard to cut a balloon. That's not okay. I think I kind of got it. Sorry, guys.
See what
Oh my gosh, I almost cut my finger. What's that from? Ooh, what's it? I see something. I want to get it open. I'm so excited. I don't know what's in here. Hurry!
Hurry up.
I'm trying to. It's not letting me. It's fine. I got it. Oh my gosh.
It's mine.
It's
Mine.
okay. This is the slime that was in it. It's like this gray slime that has
Get
silver.
all of it out. Next is my turn.
Yeah. Okay, so we all close our eyes. So I had no idea this was going to be in it because we close our eyes. It's hard to open, so I really hope you saw this part.
Yeah. Okay, my turn.
Yeah.
Okay.
So show it up here too. Here's some scissors.
I'll just put it right here.
Show them.
3,
Show me them.
1.
Okay. Okay, show Okay, here's your scissors.
Can someone grab my phone and show it on me? Don't click the pause button. Well,
And make sure to show up here. So you can look up here while I'll show.
That's so pretty.
I know. Make sure not to cut your finger off. I almost did. I felt it. Told ya. Ooh, that was heavy for her. Show them. Oh, look. Show them.
This is the slime. Let me get it all out.
Yeah, okay.
Let me get it.
Oh my gosh.
It just won't come out.
Yeah, so
Here.
Tame's next. Here, and then when you're finished, put
Let
it.
me get this out. It's hot. No wonder
There.
why.
I know, it really is.
Forever.
Oh, sorry. I literally took longer than Addison, and I'm not a patient. Like, I am not patient at all.
Wait, is that one open?
Okay, well, Addison's getting that.
Y'all.
Yeah, she got it out.
Tatum.
Yeah. Okay. So, Tatum, close your eyes.
Okay.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, you got one. You get one. Okay.
Slime is.
You just got slime on it. Okay. Show them. And I'll show them.
Now.
Okay. Now cut it. Close your eyes and cut it. Make sure not
No,
to
you're
cut
not,
your finger.
no, you're not supposed to close your eyes.
Just think.
It's hard, right?
I'm scared you'll cut your fingers. It's easier when you cut it too.
Those balloons are hard.
I know. It's like when you try to cut something hard.
You got it.
What is it? Oh, show them. Show them.
And mine.
What color? Pink? Pink. And now you put the slime
Then it's gonna be her time.
down here. Okay, give me the slime.
Trying to get it. Oh, didn't know it was this hard.
Yeah, it's
My
red.
mom put these in.
Yeah. Okay.
Tatum did one.
Yeah.
I done that gray one that Addie got out. I'm Addison. Well, I'm LPS lover. Addie.
Okay. Okay, Tatum. So
And then
after,
we'll
put it
just,
in here so then it's my turn. Here you go. Put it. Okay. So now it's my turn. Okay. Okay. Give me the scissors.
You didn't guess it. Put it back.
Oh yeah. But where's the scissors?
Um,
Okay. Thank you. So now I'm going. Okay. I got this one.
show them.
Yeah, I got this one.
It's a little one. This one's already popped.
Oh yeah, Tatum
I
was,
took it out.
yeah, she popped that. Okay. So I'm
Wait.
opening it. Oh, it's blue. How unexpected. Okay. I had no idea it would be blue. I thought it was pink. I thought it would be pink. Okay. So now it's Addison's turn.
Yep. I'll put the broken ones.
Okay. Put the
Let
broken
me
ones.
go.
Put the broken ones up. Okay, show. Okay, show them. She got that one. Okay.
Whoa.
Show them that you're cutting it.
I'm more on it.
Oh, show them, show them, show them. Okay, show the top. What is it? What color is it?
It's I forgot what it's called.
Golden?
No.
Oh, Nickelodeon slime.
Yeah, I got the Nickelodeon slime.
Lucky.
Yeah.
Tina.
So I am opening it, which is so easy. Yes.
Well, sometimes it
Yeah. Sometimes.
Here, broken one. It's broken. Wait, is it your turn next, Tatum? Or you already went? Wait, is it Tatum's turn or my
Yes. Tatum's.
turn? Okay.
She can go when I'm getting the slime out.
Okay.
And then we'll show you all the slime that we
Okay, show
got.
me.
Then.
Okay, so Tatum got this one.
Did you guess it?
Yeah, she just closed her eyes and spun it. Careful, don't cut your finger. Ready? Oh, she got it. What is it?